gotta get you clean. What are you working on? Oh! Ow!
Кто натворил? Вот это кто натворил?
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
What do you want? That was a good one.
Ooh, 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 ooh. If you did the freaking counters! Augustus, calm down. Mommy's.
There to guard the clean overnight in the event there was anything other.
You fucker.
One more? One more hook? Okay.
She batted you back. Not our $2 chair. In? And then you lay it on?
Yeah. So far,
Do it. No! You are actually giving treats to Belle. What? He's gonna do it.
Hey, come here, come on.
Why are you holding hands? It's broccoli.
Come here.
Lasagna's being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
Oh, darling.
Yeah.
William, get ready.
Why do you hate me?
Hey, we're friends, huh? Get the hell up out of here.
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
What is going on here?
Bro, Michael. Birds.
Gary!
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
No.
Не надо. Ты.
What a good boy. Oh, shit. Oh!
Para, filha da puta, de arranhar meu sofá, desgraçado.
Мама, получит?
One kitty. Okay.
Spicy. Hey, Spicy. She's happy.
To you too.
One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
It's gonna be hot.
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. It is not nice to steal food. I know. Oh, kitten.
It's gonna be hot.